Hey beauties, it's me Evie and it's October. Where did our summer go? It's completely over. We're into fall now. Here in Oklahoma, it doesn't much feel like fall though. It was just out today and I did wear a sleeveless shirt, but it was so comfortable outside. Like I could have wore a full long sleeve and been comfortable, but I was also comfortable in the no sleeve. So like, it's a perfect day here. I think it's in the high 80s, maybe middle 80s, somewhere around there, but a light wind. Perfect day. But at last, I am here to open the Ipsy Glam Bag. It's that time of the month again. Like, I will look forward to my Ipsies so much. I just love getting them. It's like getting a present every month. This month is obviously October. We are in full swing of things. All the spooky stuff is out. Ooh, I like the theme already. They're sticking with the theme. I think it's Beauty Nightmares is the main thing we're focusing on. And let's see. So I'll just read to you the Beauty Nightmares little plug that they have on the cards. Overplucked brows, scary haircuts, chemical peel horror shows. We've all been there. Our beauty traumas unite us and remind us that our mistakes and misadventures are just part of our journey to self-expression. All Halloween month long, join us as we celebrate the weird and wonderful in all of us. Everything you need to stay in the spooky season. Get ready, something weird this way comes. So, Beauty Nightmares, I took a chance and had my brother chop my hair for me, and he did a really good job. Like, I have no complaints. My hair at the ends was a bit of a nightmare. They were thinning, they were dry, and now my hair is just so like light and flowy, and I'm so happy about it. Let's see, what else could have been a nightmare that turned out not being a nightmare? My eyebrows. I have been letting them grow back into the little points that I am kind of, you know, my trademark is my eyebrows and my lip. And so that has been a little bit of a strenuous thing for me, because you have to like let a lot of hairs come back in not the right places to get to the point where they're in the right places, if that makes sense. So that could be part of a nightmare. A nightmare I can talk about. Let me just demonstrate what the nightmare is. So I have this Fenty Beauty lip. And every time I use this, okay, first of all, let me say, formula is kissable. Like, I love the formula. Do I have it all over my teeth though? No. So I love this formula. It goes on, it's wet, obviously, and then it kind of dries like a matte. It's beautiful. It stays on pretty good, like a long time. And when it's there, it's there. However, to get to this lip, it's always an issue. You can't just put this on and go. You have to make sure you have the stuff to fix around your lips available. A makeup wipe, which I have found is the easiest. You just go in, clean your line up, and then reapply your face makeup if need be. So let me show you. This wand is an absolute nightmare. It's impossible to put this on without making a mess, and they need to fix that. I don't know if they have. I haven't got any more of these from Fenty since this one, because I absolutely hate the applicator. Is the applicator different now? Let me know in the comments. So let's just jump into this bag. It is the Glam Bag for October 5 Deluxe Beauty Sample. Subscribers choose their one product. It's worth up to $70 and you pay only $14 a month. It's worth it, people. So let's just see what we have in here. The first thing is from Dew of the Gods. And this isn't just a lip butter. It's your lip's perfect partner. Your ride or die. So it is a mini sorbet hyaluronic lip butter in strawberry and mandarin. Let me see if I can get into this. Here's the product. I'm going to do you a sniff test. Oh, it smells really good. Ooh. You know how you can taste it? It tastes good too. So that is good. I love Dew of God's products. They've never gone wrong with me, so I am happy to get this. I will definitely be keeping it and using it. I just love Dew of the Gods. Everything I've gotten from them has been wonderful. So now we have Moon Slice Beauty. And this is going to be a blush. And it is beautiful. I believe it's the shade color. Oh, I love paper packaging. I wish more would do paper packaging. Oh, and this is a blush that I will definitely enjoy. Oh, that is so pretty. It's very similar to what I have on. Love that. That is like almost a full size blush. Then we have Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte in this fancy little packaging. Just a regular brush. It says this is a 4-in-1 mascara. I love the packaging. Can y'all see that? It's like faux leather, like crocodile looking. That's so cool. I love Tarte. So now we have a Hey Honey, Love Your Body Shea Butter Honey Body Lotion. Well, let's just try it out. I was just realizing today that I needed oh, I just shot too much on my hand. Luxurious Honey and Shea Butter Body Cream that softens and replenishes the moisture in your skin. Okay, don't like the smell. Let's put it on my dry elbows. Can't smell my elbows. Oh no, I don't like that earthy garden dirt smell. No, that's I wish people would stop using that scent. It's just not for me. I have a lip liner. This is from Lucky Chick. I don't know this brand. It's vitamin E and rose oil. Let's see, does it have? So we have 2 of them. This one is Sweetie and this one is Lovely. A darker, like brown shade. Oh, this one I could use. So Sweetie, yeah, so Sweetie is the red tone at the top and Lovely is the brown color. Well, that's pretty cool. So that is our products. You want to see the inside of the bag now? It's pink. Very cool bag. It's got a little little ball that you see in. What is it called? Can't think of the name of it. If you want this bag, or leave a message in the comments. The first person that says something can get the bag. And I'll put some goodies in it for you. How's that? Okay, that is the Glam Bag. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this little unboxing for the Glam Bag. I hope that you all have a great October. If you want, go over and watch the next video, which is going to be the Boxycharm 5 full-size item products. I love you. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see me more. Bye.